The Philippine Navy has confirmed major plans to upgrade the combat capabilities of its Tarlac-class landing ship, the BRP Tarlac, LD-601. The ship, which was first introduced in 2016, will receive significant upgrades in various systems, including a new combat management system, CMS, more advanced air and surface search radars, and upgraded weapons systems. The project aims to strengthen the ship's operational capacity in supporting various Philippine Navy missions, from amphibious operations, humanitarian assistance, to humanitarian and search and rescue missions. The BRP Tarlac is one of the largest ships owned by the Philippine Navy and has extraordinary capabilities in supporting various amphibious operations. The BRP Tarlac, which was built by PT.PAL Indonesia and commissioned in 2016, is 123 meters long and 21.8 meters wide. The ship is capable of carrying up to 500 personnel along with related vehicles and equipment. Currently, the ship is equipped with Furuno X-band and S-band navigation radars, and will be equipped with weapons such as a 76mm main gun and two 25mm secondary guns. However, while the ship has been equipped with various advanced features since its inception, the Philippine Navy is now planning to upgrade several key systems to improve the ship's efficiency and effectiveness on the battlefield. The planned upgrades include the addition of a new combat management system that will allow for better coordination between sensors, weapons, and other combat units. With the new CMS, the BRP Tarlac will be able to respond to threats faster and more precisely. In addition to the CMS, the ship will also be equipped with a more modern air and surface search radar. This radar is essential to improve the BRP Tarlac's ability to detect threats from both the air and the surface. With more advanced radar technology, the ship will have a wider detection range, as well as the ability to monitor and identify targets with greater accuracy. This is very important, especially in the complex operating conditions in the Asia-Pacific region that has various threats, both from major powers and militant groups. One interesting aspect of the BRP Tarlac's upgrade plan is the focus on its capabilities in multinational operations and support to countries in the region. The ship is prepared to support various humanitarian missions, including disaster relief, search and rescue operations, and the transportation of humanitarian aid. In such a scenario, the BRP Tarlac will be invaluable in ensuring that relief supplies and resources reach the affected communities quickly and effectively. The upgrade will also ensure that the BRP Tarlac remains relevant and ready to face modern challenges in an increasingly complex warfighting world. By adding the latest combat management system, more modern radars, and more advanced weapons, the ship will remain at the forefront of technological excellence and combat readiness. As the largest landing platform owned by the Philippine Navy, the BRP Tarlac has a range of capabilities that can support amphibious operations, including the transport of troops, vehicles, and logistical equipment. The ship can accommodate several types of amphibious vehicles and even helicopters, allowing for high flexibility in military missions. One of the biggest challenges in upgrading the BRP Tarlac is ensuring that all new systems can be smoothly integrated into the existing platform. This means that all new hardware and software must be compatible with the existing ship structure without disrupting the ship's basic functionality. This process requires careful planning and rigorous testing to ensure that the ship can operate optimally after the upgrade. Contrary to a recent report that the MBDA VL Mica surface-to-air missile system is being considered by the Philippine Navy for the Tarlac-class landing platform dock, we tried to get info from our Navy and defense industry sources to countercheck. What was actually being considered by the Philippine Navy for the Tarlac class and the new upcoming LPDs is the Simbad RC launcher armed with the Mistral 3 very short-range surface-to-air missile from MBDA. Also, both the Tarlac class and the upcoming new LPDs were not designed to support VLS like the VL Mica, although modifications can be made to support non-traditional VLS systems, but this WPAL cost a lot and not covered by PN's upgrade budget. This info was also supported based on the budget allocation of the Philippine Navy for the project. Based on our experience in costing defense systems, TGE budget is not enough for VL Mica but fits right with the Simbad RC plus Mistral 3 combo. We'll be discussing more on the landing docks combat system upgrade project in future posts. Overall, the BRP Tarlac upgrade plan demonstrates the Philippine Navy's commitment to enhancing its readiness and responsiveness to the challenges facing the Asia-Pacific region. With a focus on enhancing technological capabilities and upgrading its weapon systems, the ship is expected to be the backbone of the Philippine Navy in dealing with potential threats and maintaining regional security in the future.